I want to be a mechanic so I can help not just my town but anywhere else that I'm at.
This was my first time in mechanics. I've learned a lot.
I decided to pick this course to become a more well-rounded aviation pilot. If you're broke down or got stuck somewhere, it's good to know how to work on your plane.
I can have a secure future, and Excel helps me with that.
I would recommend it because once you get into it, you learn more and more. It's really interesting and it's pretty fun.
I could see myself working as an AAP mechanic and as a pilot.
It'd be awesome for me to see me in the skies or down here working on an engine.
I learned the details about how engines work. In the small town of Point Hope, there's a lot of engines to work on, and it would be good to know how to fix them, just to support the community